Good morning. This is call number 2021-56808 in the interest of Poetry Jones. Please raise your right hand to be sworn, man. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Dorian Marie Porter. I'm Poetry Freedom Jones' mother.
All right. And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Ernest Jones, is not present, that he was personally served on October 12th, 2022 at 7:53 a.m. at 701 North San Jacinto, Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, I'd like to call the mother, Miss Dorian Porter. Miss
Okay.
Porter, how many children are we here for? Just one, is that correct?
Yes,
And who is your child's father?
Ernest Bernard Jones.
And did Mr. Jones sign the birth certificate?
Yes,
And is there any possibility that another man could be the father during the time of conception?
no,
And you're asking the court to name Ernest Jones as the biological father of Poetry Jones, correct?
I wasn't asking anything.
Okay, but you understand the court is going to appoint you or name him as the biological father, right?
Yes,
Okay. And regardless if you're asking, you understand that this is the order from the court, right?
that's the part I don't quite understand.
Okay. Would you like to spend some more time talking with me before we proceed, or do you want to continue with the hearing?
I mean, I understand that I'm a part of it, but it was done on my behalf. I didn't seek this, so I'm trying to see how to go about it that
Yeah,
way. As
Do you understand, Ms. Porter,
participant.
that this order is going to establish him as the legal father of this child? Do you understand that?
Yes,
Okay,
I
so
do
is
understand
he
that.
the father of the child?
Yes,
Okay, so what we're doing here is just making it legal. Do you understand that?
that I understand. Yes,
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. And Ms. Jones, you understand the
Ms.
court is,
Porter.
I'm sorry, Ms. Porter, you understand the court is going to appoint you and Mr. Jones as joint managing conservators of the child, correct?
Yes,
And does your child live with you in your home?
yes,
And are you understanding the court is going to allow you to maintain the child's primary residence in Harris or any county that you choose, regardless of where you choose to reside with the child? You understand that?
yes, I understand.
And where is Mr. Jones currently located?
To my understanding, he is in a Texas prison.
Okay, and he's in a Texas prison in Rusk County currently, is that true?
Oh, I don't know all of that information.
Okay, well, he's in Rusk County, and you may not know the answer to this too, but do you expect him to be released within the next 90 days from prison?
No, I don't expect anything.
And when he is released, are you asking the court to allow you to supervise visits with the child for some periods before defaulting to the standard visits?
Yes,
And these visits would take place with you taking the child to Herman Park in the pedal boat section. Is that correct? Located at 6102 Herman Park Drive in Houston.
yes,
And your child is currently covered under health insurance. Is that true?
yes,
And due to the fact that Mr. Jones is incarcerated, there will not be any court-ordered medical support. Is that right?
yes,
And you agree to maintain the health insurance for the child?
yes,
And do you agree to pay half of any bills that are not covered by the insurance?
yes,
And going forward with child support, that would also be set at 0 because Mr. Jones is currently incarcerated with no income.
yes.
And are you requesting any back child support for any time period at all, Ms. Porter?
No,
And are you asking the court to bill court costs to Mr. Jones?
I'm asking to not bill them to me.
Okay. And you've reviewed and signed this order, Ms. Porter?
Yeah.
Thank you. Judge, I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.